friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the beautiful neighborhood of Valley Ridge, located in the northwest part of Calgary, Alberta. Established in the early 1990s, Valley Ridge was one of the first communities to be developed in the city's northwest, offering a peaceful retreat with stunning views and a strong connection to nature. Valley Ridge is located on the western edge of Calgary, offering easy access to the Rocky Mountains and the many recreational opportunities they provide, such as hiking, biking, and skiing. The Valley Ridge Golf Course is a popular attraction, offering residents a chance to enjoy golfing in a picturesque setting. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a family looking for a great place to raise children, or someone seeking a peaceful retreat, Valley Ridge provides a warm and welcoming community to call home. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.